वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all how to make egg curry, Goan egg curry. So for that I have taken around 6 eggs, raw eggs. Then we need half onion to grind. Okay, now what we need to grind to make a fine paste: half onion, 2 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric seed, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, a ball of tamarind. Then we also need 1 whole coconut, okay, grated coconut. Then we need around 6 Kashmiri chilies, around 5 Goan short chilies, that is mapsa local Goan chilies, motko misangyo. Then we need around 10 cloves of garlic and 1 chili, green chili. So this is all what we need. Then we need 1 green chili slated and 1 half onion again sliced. So we have to grind this to a fine paste. This recipe is without oil, okay, and without tomatoes. Let's grind this to a fine paste. And here is a masala ready. तर आमचे हें जावन आसा आयन तयार आतां कोडी करपाक. तर बरें बारीक जाला. So it's nicely finely grinded, and now we will add this to this. I have other recipes also of egg curry without oil and all. Then one is without coconut. So please do watch if you all want other type also. And now we will add water around 2 to 3 cups depending how thick you want. तर हांवें हें जें मिक्सराक आसा न्हू तें तितूनूच घातल्या 2 कपां. आनी आतां आमी मिक्स करुया. So just check. आनी मातशें इल्लें उदक घालया आनी ह्यो कांदो तितून मुड्डुया. So let's crush this onion also. Then we will garnish it last with some tefas also, because most of them think that eggs has got different type of aroma. So tefa will help for that. So I will add little more water, 1 more cup. So now we'll give a boil. So एकात आमी बरो ह्यो खतखतो हाडया, मागीर तितून तांतयां आमी फोडुया. Salt to taste will add. तो तांतयाची कोडी पावसान जेन्ना नुस्तें ना वो नुस्तें खावपाक नाका तेन्ना ही तांतयाची कोडी करून दवरूं येता. पाव बरोबर, शीता बरोबर एकदम बरी लागता. So now our curry has got a boil. So at least for 4 minutes you cook this like this only. तर आतां आमचे कोडयेक खतखतो येयला, आयनाक खतखतो येयला. तर एका मातशें हें करून मातशें शिजोवया आनी आतां स्लो करून मागीर तांतयां करून घालुया. So one egg you have to break and slowly drop it. That's why it is called egg drop. So all 6 eggs. We'll cover this and cook this for 5 minutes. Now we will add our tefa on top of this and cover around 1 tablespoon of you can say. Our chilies and our curry is ready. So our curry is ready. You can see it's nicely cooked. The eggs are cooked. Enjoy your Goan Egg Drop Curry. बरे भशेन खायात आमची एग ड्रॉप करी. Here our egg is ready to go in the plate. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली बरे भशेन. ओके, जेन्ना तांती घालता तेन्ना तुमी 5-10 मिनिट हालय नाकात, तांकां तितूनच आसुनी जाल्यार तुमकां बरें मेवतलें. ओके, थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली. Goan Egg Drop Curry. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. Try this Goan recipe of egg drop curry or egg curry. It's delicious and yummy. Try and make it. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.